Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is World Geography Set 3. Question number 1. The Ice Age ended about years ago. Option A 140. Option B 1400. Option C 14,000. Option D 1,40,000. The correct answer is option C 14,000. The Ice Age ended about 14,000 years ago. Question number 2. The languages used in China is option A Chinese, English. Option B Chinese, Arabic. Option C Chinese, French. Option D Chinese, Korean. The correct answer is option A Chinese, English. Standard Chinese, known in China as Putonghua, a form of Mandarin Chinese, is the official national spoken language for the mainland and serves as a lingua franca within the Mandarin-speaking regions, and, to a lesser extent, across the other regions of mainland China. Question number 3. The island of Sri Lanka, formerly known as option A Madagascar. Option B Tasmania. Option C Ceylon. Option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C Ceylon. The Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka is an island in the northern Indian Ocean which has been known under various names over time. Under British rule, the island was known as Ceylon from 1815 to 1972. Question number 4. The islands of Seychelles are located in the option A Arctic Ocean. Option B Atlantic Ocean. Option C Indian Ocean. Option D Pacific Ocean. The correct answer is option C Indian Ocean. An island nation, Seychelles is located in the Indian Ocean, northeast of Madagascar and about 1,600 kilometers, 994 miles, east of Kenya. The archipelago consists of 115 islands. Question number 5. The hot, dry wind on the east or leeward side of the Rocky Mountains, North America, is called option A the Chinook. Option B the Sirocco. Option C the Harmattan. Option D the Lu. The correct answer is option A the Chinook. Chinook winds develop when warm, moist air blows from the Pacific Ocean in the northwest region of North America toward the Rocky Mountain Range, according to Rocky Mountain National Park. Question number 6. The length of the day is determined in option A astronomical units. Option B solar terms. Option C length of the hours. Option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A astronomical units. The astronomical unit is a unit of length, roughly the distance from Earth to the Sun. However, that distance varies as Earth orbits the Sun, from a maximum to a minimum and back again once a year. Question number 7. Within the transporting medium, transport can occur by option A suspension. Option B solution and traction. Option C solution. Option D all of the above. The correct answer is option D all of the above. The most direct forms of membrane transport are passive. Passive transport is a naturally occurring phenomenon and does not require the cell to exert any of its energy to accomplish the movement. In passive transport, Substances move from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. Question number 8. The islands with coral-covered surfaces in Bay of Bengal are: Option A, Andaman Islands. Option B, Nicobar Islands. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is Option B, Nicobar Islands. The island with coral-covered surfaces in Bay of Bengal are Nicobar Islands. Question number 9. The highest sand dunes are found is: Option A, the Sahara Desert. Option B, the Atacama Desert. Option C, the Kalahari Desert. Option D, the Gobi Desert. The correct answer is Option A, the Sahara Desert. The Sahara is a desert located on the African continent. It is the largest hot desert in the world, and the third largest desert overall after Antarctica and the Arctic. Its area of 92 lakh square kilometers is comparable to the area of China or the United States. Question number 10. The greatest variety of animal and plant species is found in: Option A, temperate grasslands. Option B, tropical moist forests. Option C, tundra regions. Option D, in hot deserts. The correct answer is Option B, tropical moist forests. These locations have a high and diverse amount of animal and plant species due to their natural habitat. The tropical moist forests and the rainforests are the same types of forests that have consistent rainfall throughout the year. These type of forests are the one responsible for the evergreen hygrophilous. Question number 11. The layer of the earth immediately below the crust is called: Option A, outer core. Option B, inner core. Option C, inner mantle. Option D, outer mantle. The correct answer is Option D, outer mantle. The crust and the upper layer of the mantle together make up a zone of rigid, brittle rock called the lithosphere. The layer below the rigid lithosphere is a zone of asphalt-like consistency called the asthenosphere. The asthenosphere is the part of the mantle that flows and moves the plates of the earth. Question number 12. The highest mountains in Africa, which is not part of any mountains chain, is: Option A, Mount Aconcagua. Option B, Mount Kilimanjaro. Option C, Mount Kosciuszko. Option D, Mont Blanc. The correct answer is Option B, Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in Tanzania, a country in East Africa. The mountain is one of the 7 summits, the highest peaks on each of the 7 continents, and rises 5,895 meters or 19,340 feet above sea level. It is the tallest freestanding mountain, not part of a mountain range, in the world. Question number 13. The heavier silicates named as SiMa or silica plus magnesium are most abundant in the: Option A, crust. Option B, core. Option C, mantle. Option D, ocean floors. The correct answer is Option D, ocean floors. The heavier silicates named as SiMa or silica plus magnesium are most abundant in the ocean floors. Question number 14. The imaginary line on the Earth's surface, which closely follows the 180 degrees meridian, is called the: Option A, International Date Line. Option B, Tropic of Cancer. Option C, Equator. Option D, Prime Meridian. The correct answer is option A. International date line. The international date line is located halfway around the world from the prime meridian, 0 degrees longitude, or about 180 degrees east or west of Greenwich, London, UK, the reference point of time zones. It is also known as the line of demarcation. Question number 15. The landforms that are created by massive earth movements due to plate tectonics are called option A. Structural landforms. Option B. Weathering landforms. Option C. Erosional landforms. Option D. Depositional landforms. The correct answer is option A. Structural landforms. Structural landforms. Definition: landforms where rock structures are the dominant controls on morphology. Question number 16. The largest continent in the world is option A. Africa. Option B. Asia. Option C. Australia. Option D. Antarctica. The correct answer is option B. Asia. The Earth has 7 such continents. They are, from largest in size to the smallest, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Asia is the world's largest and most populous continent on Earth. It covers 30% of the Earth's land area. Question number 17. The gulf that separates Finland and Sweden in Europe is option A. The Gulf of Bothnia. Option B. The Gulf of Lions. Option C. The Gulf of Genoa. Option D. The Gulf of Venice. The correct answer is option A. The Gulf of Bothnia. The Gulf of Bothnia is the northernmost arm of the Baltic Sea. It is situated between Finland's west coast and Sweden's east coast. In the south of the Gulf lie the Åland Islands, between the Sea of Åland and the Archipelago Sea. Question number 18. The groundwater that occurs when flow of the subterranean water is not confined by the presence of impermeable layers is called option A. Unconfined groundwater. Option B. Confined groundwater. Option C. Aquifer. Option D. Artesian. The correct answer is option A. Unconfined groundwater. Unconfined aquifers/unconfined groundwater are those into which water seeps from the ground surface directly above the aquifer. Question number 19. The limit beyond which the stars suffer internal collapse is called the option A. Raman effect. Option B. Chandrasekhar limit. Option C. Aurora borealis. Option D. Carson zone. The correct answer is option B. Chandrasekhar limit. The Chandrasekhar limit is the maximum mass of a stable white dwarf star. The currently accepted value of the Chandrasekhar limit is about 1.4 m. White dwarfs resist gravitational collapse primarily through electron degeneracy pressure. Question number 20. The largest part of our hydrosphere is option A. Atlantic Ocean. Option B. Indian Ocean. Option C. Pacific Ocean. Option D. Antarctica Ocean. The correct answer is option C. Pacific Ocean. The ocean is the dominant feature on Earth, covering 70% of the planet's surface and holding 97% of the Earth's water. The hydrosphere connects humans to the ocean, land, and atmosphere, making life on Earth possible. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now, link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.